the basics of data structures in the unit 1. Abstract data type. These are the concepts present in the unit 1. What is meant by abstract data type? It is a framework that outlines a collection of operation and behavior for a data structures without dealing how these operations are implemented or how the data is stored in memory. First, we have to know the concepts of revealing only the necessary details while concealing the underlying the is called abstraction. Application program, interface, public functions, private functions, data structures, arrays, and linked list. These are the basic concepts of array and linked list in the abstract data type. First of all, we have to know the two functions, public function and private function. Abstract data type, it is also called as ADT. Separate their interface from their implementation. This separation is achieved through public and private functions. What is meant by public function? The public function form the external interface of the ADT. These are the operations that users can call. And what are the characteristics means visual or visible to users of the ADT. Define what operations can be performed. Implementation details are hidden. Form the contrast with users. And common public functions across ADTs. These are the basic operations in the ADT. Insert, remove, search, and access. Insert means we have to add an element, and remove means remove an element. Search means find an element. Access that position, we have to find that the element present in that exact place. In what memory? Get an element. Query operations. Size of, is empty of, is full of. Size of means return number of elements, that is the present the number of size we are having to find. Is empty of, check whether the ADT is empty or not, or full. Full means is full of, check if full of. For fixed size ADTs. Specified operations, ADT is specific. For stack, push off, pop off, pick off. For queue, enqueue off, dequeue off, front off. For map, put key comma value, get key of comma contain key of key. And what is meant by private functions implementations, we have to know. Private functions are internal helpers that users do not directly call, the opposite of public functions. Characteristics. What are the characteristics of private functions? Means hidden from users, handle implementation details, can be changed without affecting users, often marked as private or protected in languages that support encapsulation. These are the points in common private functions. Memory management, resize of, increase of, decrease of storage capacity, allocate memory of, get more memory, free memory of, release memory. Helper functions, find index of key, locate where data should go, rebalance of, maintain internal structures for trees, merge of, combine internal structures. Validation functions, validate input of data, check if input is valid, check bounds of index, verify position is valid, is duplicate of key, check for existing entries. Node operations for node based ADTs. Create node of data means initialize a new node. We are using a create node of data. Link nodes of parent comma child means connect nodes between the nodes. Swap nodes of A comma B means exchange node positions. The public or private separation ensures users only interact with the ADT through its defined interface while allowing the implementation to change as needed. It also includes the data structures utilized within a program. Initially, encapsulation is applied, which involves bundling all data into a single unit called the ADT. ADT is nothing but abstract data type. Following this abstraction is used to highlight the operations that can be performed on the data structures as well as to specify which data structures are employed in the program. Why use ADT? We need a encapsulation, modularity, reusability, and clarity. These are the standard in concepts of OOPS. OOPS is nothing but object-oriented programming. Object, class, data abstraction, data encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, dynamic binding, and message binding. Thank you.